Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
You look so happy.
Yes.
Why are you so happy today?
Because today I visited for my puja vacation. I visited in Bhawal Resort.
Okay, you are here. You are in
Yes.
Vawal Resort now.
Yes.
So, with whom have you come?
With my parents and my friends.
Friends? Wow. How many friends do you have?
Like 10.
You have 10 friends.
Yeah, and one of them are my brothers, so maybe 9.
Wow. Now tell me, what have you done with your friends?
I came today.
I think your friends are playing here, right?
I came today. Yes, they're playing now, and I came today like 11 or 12 o'clock, and then first of all I did swimming, then went to eat, and came and just changed, and we were playing
Different types of
around.
activities.
Yes, me and Bulula, I mean my friend, we are playing with a kitten.
You have eaten different types of foods, right?
Yes,
Have you liked?
yes, I like it very much.
Which item have you liked most?
From dessert, I didn't eat when I came, so I liked the most gulab jamun.
Thank you so much, Manha.
Welcome.